Hello everyone. How are you doing? Welcome to Scholarship Insider. Today I will walk you through the application process for the University of Calabria, which is located in Italy. And if you are looking for a fully funded opportunity, stay tuned. I will guide you step by step. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with others who may find it helpful. Let's get started. As you see here, we are in the main page or the official page of the University di Calabria, and you can get this link within my video description below, and you can apply by clicking here, and there is a detailed description about the application process. It says that international students in the University of Calabria admission master's degree extra EU, it says, and the call for application is open now for EU students, as well as if you are non-EU student then in living abroad and you want to enroll in second cycle degree course, then call for application of 2025-2026 is now open officially. At the same time, you can apply for bachelor degree by going to the right side in here. If you want to apply for masters, you can click here. If you want to apply for bachelor degree, you can click here, and you will get this page which says that admissions to bachelor and single cycle degrees programs for academic year 2025-2026, and you can click here in order to proceed, in order to apply to the application process. And there are 3 intakes, as you see here: March 14, April 11, and May 9. So you can apply. Still there's period to apply. The deadline is not closed, so by clicking here you can proceed. Also, there are descriptions or explanations about the scholarships. In academic year 2025, there are around 132 scholarships to foreign students. Around 3,600 euro allowance is provided for the scholarship winner, and including the tuition fee and some other benefits, and you can read other things. So then please click here, and again you can get this link within my blog, this link, and you can click here, and you can read all which is described in here, and you can copy this link, or you can click within this portal in order to proceed. Yeah, I can put again this link in within my blog. You can get it there. After that, let us proceed by clicking here in menu, and since we are new, say registration. If you are not new, you can say login. So let's proceed here. Click here in web registration then, and you will get this page which says personal data. Please enter your name, your surname or your family name, your birth date, your gender, whether it's male or female, you can select here, your country, your nationality, and your country again. City not listed. If it's listed, you can leave this one in here. If it's not listed, then you can write the city name. Again, Italian tax code, which means if you have Italian tax code, you can fill it by yourself, which means the tax code which you got when you applied for another university which is found in Italy. Then you can copy that one and you can continue. Otherwise, it will automatically generate since you are new. So say forward. As you see here, they provided us a Italian tax code, so we can proceed now. Here the permanent address they ask you, then you can here choose your country, and the town entered was not found among those listed. That means if it's not found in here, you can give the name of the town here. And the zip code, since it is not mandatory, you can leave it, and it says if in Italy, so you can leave this one. Locality, please give the name of the city or where you are just living, otherwise you can again leave this one since there is no star on it. Address, please provide the address which includes the street, the square, and the road. And here your street number, please give the street number or fill it in here. Then permanent address start date, you can fill the date you started to live in this particular place. And then your telephone number in here, please fill your telephone number. And the current address is the same as permanent address. It says if your current address is the same with the permanent address where you provided here, then say yes, otherwise say no, then say forward. Here it asks your email, please you should fill your contact details in here your email address, then your international dialing code, it says your mobile number here, your international dialing code here, then say yes or no as by reading each and everything. Here agree to handle the handling of my personal data, it says here I agree to transmission of my personal data, then I agree to disclosure of my personal data, it says, and the SMS, which means if you want to receive emails or any messages from this university, you can say yes, otherwise no, within this mobile phone. After doing this all, say forward. Please subscribe my channel in order to get new scholarship videos, please. Thank you for doing this. And we are now in create password, it says please follow these all rules, which it says that please there must be 8 characters all, then there must be at least 1 character of the set 0 up to 9. There must be at least 1 character of A up to Z. That means the letters from the numbers, and it should be all must be 8. And please include these symbols only, it says. And also there must be no more than 20 characters. And please read each and everything, then fill the password by yourself. Let me fill mine. Then after doing everything, say forward. Okay, now we are in registration summary, as you see here, and you can cross-check each and every data you provided or you filled, and by cross-checking everything, if you are right, then say confirm. If you are not right, say edit permanent address. So let us say confirm. Okay, now we are in registration completed, it says here, and they provided each and every details about us, including the username we are going to use in this portal as well as the password. Then say login in here. Say login. Now we are in access to ESS3. So please copy the username and the password you got as well as you used. Then after finalizing everything, say access. Okay, now we are in registered users area. Welcome to this person, or as it says, please, if you are not going to log in or if there is error, say again here in menu, and you can say login in around here, and you can directly proceed. Otherwise, wait for the email they send to you, then you can again copy the username and the password they sent you. Then you can again say login and you can proceed. Now we are in registered users area. Welcome to this it says. So again, click here in menu, registrar's office. Click in here by going to menu and here in click in here registrar's office. Then you will get everything about the registrar offices which they provide, and then please click in admission test registration, then click here. So there are courses for both bachelor degree course as well as for master's degree, and if you want to study the high professional training courses, you can click here. For initial teacher training, you can click here. So let us see in both bachelor and master's degrees what type of programs provided. Then for bachelor's, let us see, and by saying forward, as you see, there are many courses offered within this university. Let us see each one by one. The first one is biology. The admission period is from, as you see, from February to June, right? Then chemistry, communication, economics, business economics, physics, computer science, biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, civil engineering, management engineering, mechanical engineering, letters, modern language and cultures, mathematics, linguistic mediation. And as you see, most of them close in June 3. So by clicking the one you are going to study, say forward if you are applying for bachelor. Otherwise, say back, and again for master's degree, say forward. And as you see, there are 3 courses only given within this application period. The first one is chemistry and technology, and the second is pharmacy, then the third one is this one. So only 3 courses are given in this application period. So for bachelor's you can proceed, then for master's you can again proceed in one course. So let me show you both of master's as well as for the bachelor's. If you are going to apply for this one, say forward, and you can select administrative category. Since it is you can select the one, you can select which type, in which category are you. Since we are non-EU citizens, you can click here and say forward again, and it says everything you selected, then say confirm and continue. Here it says, it asks you about your disability. If you are disabled, if there is a disability, you can click here and please upload a file which shows you are disabled, then say forward. You should here enter your qualification, say enter for high school diploma. You should select foreign, not Italian, then foreign, say proceed. Here it asks your diploma status. It's if you are graduated, say obtained. If you are not, say not yet obtained. Then foreign diploma type, it says general certificate for secondary education. Diploma free description, it says you can leave this one, otherwise say high school diploma. Institute, you can fill the institute name. Year of achievement means in which year you graduated, you can select the one. Grade, out of 100 or out of the one you got, you can put the one you got. Then a country where the high school is found. Again, a country order, it says you can select the one. Then finally, doing this all, say forward. As you see, it's right, everything's fine. Then say proceed. And as you see, everything is completed. Then say complete admission to competition. Then by saying complete admission to the competition, you can get every information about yourself, including it says valid, then rating, titles, something like if you want to print copy of your application, you can copy. Otherwise, you can go back for the courses. If you want to cancel the application, you can say cancel. This is everything about the course. Bachelor degree courses. So click here to study bachelor degree in this university. Then select the one you are going to study. Let me select communication. Then say forward. Here you should select the one you are categorized. Most of us are non-EU citizens, so click here, then say forward, and they give you all the data you filled, then say confirm and continue. And also here asks the disability about yourself, say forward without saying anything, since you are disabled. If you are disabled, then you can provide some data or some information about yourself by clicking here. Otherwise, say forward. After doing, say proceed. Then you will get this part and say complete the admission to the competition. Finally, this is all about. Then you can print a copy of your application easily. After doing this all, you can go to the menu section finally, and as you see here, you can pay the payments. Otherwise, they send you detailed information about how to pay the application fee for this. They ask you how to pay the application fee, which is 10 euro. This is all about. Thank you for following me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for the time and watching. Thank you.